You could start a business today that runs 24/7 from anywhere and makes money even while you sleep. Would you do it? Because 2025 is going to be huge for online businesses, but only if you start early. In this video, I'll share 3 online business ideas that are set to explode in 2025. These aren't the same old start a blog tips. These are real, high-growth opportunities you can start with low investment and scale fast. Stay tuned because idea number 3 might completely change how you think about making money online. Let's dive in. Want to make life-changing money in 2025? Forget what you know about business. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. The online world is evolving fast, and if you're not ahead, you'll miss out. Opportunities now might vanish in 6 months. This is your moment. Ready to change your life? I'm sharing 3 business models you can start with almost no money. Let's go. Imagine launching your own AI-powered content creation agency, where technology and your entrepreneurial spirit combine to build a business that works for you. In this new era, you don't need a fancy office or a big team. All you need is a laptop, internet, and the drive to embrace the future of work. Picture yourself running a global business from your bedroom, working in pajamas, and setting your own hours. The world is your marketplace, and your reach is unlimited. Businesses everywhere need fresh, engaging content, and they're willing to pay for it. The demand for high-quality content has never been higher. With AI, you can generate polished work in minutes. No more late nights. Just input your ideas and let advanced software do the heavy lifting. Take on more clients, deliver faster, and scale your business with ease. It's just you, your laptop, and a few smart subscriptions. Keep overhead low and profits high so you can focus on growing your agency and serving clients. Promise real results like 10,000 blog visitors a month. When you focus on outcomes, clients see you as essential to their success. Over 77% of businesses want to use AI but don't know where to start. Become their trusted expert and help them unlock AI's true potential. You can get started for less than $100 a month in software costs. No expensive equipment needed, just the right tools. Build a high-profit, scalable agency powered by AI and watch your robot-powered business transform your life. The future is here. Are you ready? Imagine waking up to new sales notifications, money earned while you sleep. That's the magic of digital products. By creating and selling ebooks, online courses, or templates, you're building a business that works for you around the clock, reaching customers worldwide. Your digital storefront is always open. Every download or purchase adds to your income, even when you're not working. No inventory, no shipping, no returns. Digital products are delivered instantly with zero overhead. Your profit potential is unlimited. Package your unique skills or knowledge into a product people want. Focus on niche markets where your expertise stands out. Dive into micro niches, specialized topics with passionate audiences and less competition. You can charge premium prices and get noticed. Targeting a micro niche means less competition, higher prices, and loyal customers. Become the go-to expert in your space. Set up a simple sales page on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Promote your product where your audience hangs out. Soon, you'll wake up to sales from around the world. Your knowledge becomes a global business. This is passive income at its best. Travel, spend time with family, or start new projects. Your digital products keep earning for you. It's not about getting rich quick. Build a smart, sustainable business that grows over time. Start building your digital product portfolio today. Your 24/7 money-making machine is just a few clicks away. Imagine turning your knowledge, experience, or even your hobbies into a steady stream of income, all from the comfort of your home, a cozy cafe, or anywhere in the world. Remote consulting and microservices let you sell your expertise in bite-sized packages, making it easier than ever to monetize what you know. You don't need a fancy office or a big team. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to share your skills. Offer 1-hour strategy calls, personalized business plans, or even quick Quanda sessions. These microservices are perfect for busy clients who want fast, actionable advice without a long-term commitment. You can help clients solve specific problems, brainstorm new ideas, or guide them through challenges in real time. Your expertise becomes a valuable resource that people are willing to pay for. Non-traditional skills are in demand too. Maybe you're great at video editing, resume writing, or even gaming. There's a market for almost every talent. Get paid to coach others in your favorite games, teach advanced strategies, or build incredible worlds in Minecraft. Gamers and creators are earning real money by sharing their passion and skills. Social media isn't just for fun anymore, it's a powerful business tool. If you know how to grow an audience or create engaging content, you can turn that knowledge into a service. Sell TikTok audits, Instagram strategies, or content plans to brands and creators who want to level up their online presence. Build a personal brand, share your expertise through webinars or social posts, and attract clients who value your unique perspective. Imagine offering a 1-hour call for $250. With just a few clients each week, you can create a significant income stream. 4 calls a week equals $4,000 a month. That's the power of monetizing your skills and knowledge, no matter where you are. Anything you know, whether it's a professional skill, a creative talent, or a personal passion, can become a microservice that others are willing to pay for. This is ultimate freedom. Work from anywhere, anytime, and get paid for what you know and love. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Start using it to create the life you want. The future of online business is open. AI agencies, digital products, microservices, proven paths to freedom. Excuses are gone. Technology levels the field. Start today. I've given you the map. Take the first step. Pick an idea and act. Momentum is key. Your future self will thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe for more ways to make money in 2025. Let's build empires together.